Hello guys, welcome to Simply Natural TV. In Simply Natural TV, all we do is about weight loss recipes, how to protect your marriage, what to eat, and the right diet on how to keep fit. Your health matters, and what to do to protect your marriage. Now, protecting your marriage, we talk about chit chats, story time, and all what you need. And this is the very first video of Simply Natural TV. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what you've never seen before on YouTube. This soup helps remove cold, cough, catarrh, goiter, name it, so many things. And it will help you health-wise and during this winter season. Mandarin can be eaten raw or made into a sauce, just like what you're seeing now. Mandarins are also rich in vitamin C and also contains vitamin A. They also contain dietary fiber and nutrients, minerals such as potassium and magnesium. So if you haven't subscribed to Simply Natural TV, what are you waiting for? This is the right time for you to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and also comment at the comment section, like, share, and I will be glad to have you as a family member on this channel. Trust me, it's going to be interesting. So let's dive right in. Here are some benefits about apple. Apple can lower high cholesterol and blood pressure. Eating foods with fiber, including apples, can aid digestion. Apples can support a healthy immune system. It helps boost your immune system. Apples are diabetes friendly. If you have diabetes, then you are sure to eat apples because they are free from diabetes. Apples can also play a role in cancer prevention and can support healthy weight loss. Garlic prevents cold and flu. Studies have shown that garlic reduces the risk of becoming sick at first place. It can also reduce severity of symptoms, and it also can help curing goiter. Onion cures cold, cough, catarrh, high fever, sore throat, and boosts your immune system. It can also be used as an effective home remedy to cure cough. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on my next video. Simply Natural TV. Ciao, ciao.